What is going on, everybody? Happy New Year. Welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna go hit the village of Green Island, which is actually in between Troy, New York and Cohoes, New York. There's a couple ways to get to it, so we're gonna drive around through the town a little bit, and then we're gonna go ahead and hit the outskirts and stuff and see some of the cool things, some of the things that are kind of more popular in the area. But other than that, we'll see you at the end of the video. Stick around, we're gonna take a nice little tour. All right, guys, we're gonna go ahead and get back on George Street here. We're gonna take a drive down the strip here. We're gonna go check out the park. We're gonna go check out the Green Island Bridge, which connects to Troy and some other things. So let's go take a look. All right, guys, that's it for today. I'm about to go head over to Troy, see what's going on over there. We will see you on the next video. Peace.